Tech Play Day really wanted to put the fun back into tech. So we've been to a number of events. We realised that having stalls and people basically being heckled the entire time probably isn't a great experience for the attendees.
Whilst that's kind of been the standard in many industries, it's not necessarily the best way to educate people and help them to learn.
It's really about having fun, allowing people to actually play with the tech.
It's much better use of your time and people enjoy it more.
It's been great to be here at Summize Tech Play Day. I'm always curious about new alternative formats to conferencing, so I'm really enjoyed the day.
We thought it'd be really good to come along, have a chat, network, and find a little bit more about how we could fit in and help these type of clients.
Playing with the tools in a gamified way has just been a real eye-opener and given us loads of insights into what lawyers are looking for.
So I found that the idea has been sort of quite different in a legal space, but I feel like every vendor has worked quite differently to implement that idea into their platform.
It's been so much fun. I really enjoyed it. I think it's such a good idea. So getting to actually use all the tech today, have a play.
But the nice thing about that is it'll break down barriers, introduces people, they can approach it in a far more casual way.
On a lot of big legal tech events, you know, you just like there's a big queue, people go past all the booths. But here it was a much more friendly and sort of personal atmosphere.
And it's also just been really nice to come back together as a community, to be honest. There's some people here today that I haven't seen in 2 or 3 years, and it's just been nice to reconnect.